Hello to my viewers, this is part 2 of my quadratic equation. Number 6 is 3x squared minus 4x. Since I don't have a constant, I have a and I have b, so I need to factor out this one. Common between the first term and the second term is x. So I have here 3x and then minus 4 is equal to 0. And there are two roots for this equation. My x will be equal to 0 and the other one is 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3x transposed to the right. This negative 4 will be transposed to the right. This will be 0 plus 4. This will be 3x is equals to 4. Then divide 3 both sides. Cross out 3. X is equals to positive 4 over 3. So therefore, the roots are 0 and 4 over 3. So that's number 6. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7 is 9x squared minus 72. So take note, we don't have b in this quadratic equation because the standard form of quadratic equation will be ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I need to factor out this one. Common will be 9 and 72 is 9. And then I have here x squared minus 72 divided by 9 is 8. So equal to 0 because quadratic equation. So x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be x squared is equal to 0 plus transpose negative 8 to the right. This will be 8. So positive 8. So x squared is equal to positive 8. So if this is x squared, we can have two roots plus and minus square root of 8. And we know that the factors of 8 are 4 times 2. So I can have x is equal to square root of 4 is 2. So this will be 2 plus and minus square root of 2. So I will write properly plus and minus 2 square root of 2. So my roots, the roots are 2 and square root of 2 because I have here x will be positive 2 square root of 2 and then the other one is negative 2 square root of 2. So the final answer for number 7, the roots are 2 square root of 2 and negative 2 square root of 2. So that's number 7. Now let's proceed to number 8. Number 8, 2x squared plus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. So for number 8, we cannot solve this one by factoring. Instead, we will use quadratic formula. So I will collect all the numerical coefficient including this one, c, for constant. So this will be 2. And then b is positive 7 while c is positive 9. So remember, the formula of quadratic is negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over by 2a. So I need to substitute b, a, and c. So this will be negative 7 plus and minus square root of b squared, 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, and then the last will be 9. C is 9 all over by 2 times 2. So this will be minus 7 plus and minus square root of, this will be 49 minus, this is 36. This is 36 times 2, 72. Oh, this is impossible. By 4. So, I can have minus 7 plus and minus. Square root of 49 minus 72. So, 72, this will be, borrow this one, this will be 6, and then this is 12. This is 3, 23. So, I have here, this is negative 23. I don't know why this is different. Negative 23 all over by 4. So, this is x. So, therefore, I can write this one. I will remove the negative sign and replace by imaginary. So, this will be I square root of 23 all over by 4. So, my roots are x1 will be negative 7 plus square root of 23 I, and then the second root is negative 7 minus square root of 23i. So that's, I will make a conclusion for this. Actually, this is imaginary because negative. Therefore, the roots are negative 7 plus square root of 23i and negative 7 plus, oh no, sorry, minus 23 square root of 23i. So that's for number 8. Now let's move to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 is x squared plus 7x is equal to 4. Okay, so I need to write in a standard form in quadratic equation. So this will be x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so I think it cannot be solved by factoring. So we will use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So this will be a, we'll take the a, b, c. So this will be 1. And then b is 7. And then c is negative 4. Since the variable is x, so we will use x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over by 2a. Okay, I need to substitute the value of b, a, and c. So I have negative 7 plus and minus square root of 7 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is negative 4. Then over 2 times 1. Actually, this is 2a. It's not 29. 2a. So, I have here negative. Okay. Let's do it up. So, this will be negative 7. Then, plus and minus. Square root of 7 squared is 49. Minus is plus. 4 times 1, 4. Times 4, 16. Over 2. Should be in the middle bar sign. So this will be equals negative 7 plus and minus square root of, what is 49 plus 16? This is 15, carry 1, 65. 65. Then over 2. So this will be negative 7. Do we have square root of 65? We don't have square root. So my final answer will be x is equal to negative 7 plus and minus square root of 5 over 2. Since there are 2, so this will be x1 will be negative 7 plus square root, sorry, this is 65. 65, square root of 65 over 2, and the other one is negative 7 plus or minus square root of 65 over 2. So therefore, the roots for number 9 are negative 7 plus square root of 65 over 2 and negative 7 minus square root of 65 over 2. So that's for number 9. I think this is all for this topic. That's all.